Good morning. This is week 2 of year 9. Today we are learning fraction, and I hope that this video will help you of recognizing and do the math question for the fraction. This is Mr. Henry Clement, live for you. This morning we are trying to do the recording for the uploading the pre-recorded video for the science. Okay, we hope that you really like the type of the format. And today we come back to the paper-based and live section. So please comment and let us know which one is better. And we know that we have a lot of weakness and we need to improve. Kindly let us know and let us know what we can improve. Okay, so we come back to the fraction, which is from year 7, year 8, and also from primary school. If we have the denominator same, okay, so obviously they will be the same here at the denominator part, and then 1 you can plus on the top numerator part, okay, so you will get 2 or 4, okay. If you want to further simplify, it will be 1 of 2, okay. So firstly, you need to make sure that the denominator is the same. So for all these questions, can you see these are the same, and this is same, this is same. Okay, for all these 3 questions, we can try easily. And then if this is 2 pieces out of the 5 pieces plate, and then plus 1 pieces, so this will be make 3 pieces out of 5 pieces. Same thing happens to the pizza. If I cut the pizza into 9 pieces, and now the remaining is 4 pieces, come another 3 friends and taken out and take away the 3 pieces, so there will be only 1 left. Okay, so same thing, this is another pizza. Okay, I have 9 pieces and then 7 was taken, so only 2 left over, and if you simplify it, okay, it will be 1, 4. Okay, so here come another 4 question, which is the denominator is not the same. Oh my God. Okay, so we need to make the denominator the same, which means that we need to cut it so that they become the same pieces from the beginning. So let's say this one we cut into 2, we'll get 6, right? So this one will times 2, this one also times 2, so it will be like 1, 6 plus the 4, 6. So you can see, because this 2 times 2 will get 4 pieces. So 1 plus 5 will get you 5 pieces in total. Okay, this is the size of the plate. Okay, so again, this is not that easy. This is only times 1 up, one place, but this one you need to do both. Okay, so to this question, yesterday we learned about multiples. Okay, this is 9 and this is 6. Okay, so we can factorize it out of from prime number. So we have 3, 3, and 2 here. Okay. So yesterday I teach a method which is we need to cross out. We need to cross the multiple to get the multiple, right? So remember the method. Okay. So if we cross here, 6 is times 3, get the multiple. 9 will times 2. Okay. So this one 6 will times 3. That means that this one times 3 times 3. This one times 2, this one times 2. Okay, so at the bottom part, the denominator will be 18. And then 2 times 2 is 4, plus this one also 18. 1 times 3 is 3. So altogether you get is 7 out of 18. Okay, this part is easy, just like this one. Only one side you need to times 2. Okay, so all you get is 4, 3 minus 4, 2. So you get 4 and 1. This one, just like this one. Okay, you need to do again 9, 6. So you take out the 3. So you have 3 here and 2 here. So then you put a cross. Okay, so this one will be 18, 4. Oh, this one I should make it. This one is a plus again. Oh, I think it's the same question. Okay, let's say we try to become negative. Okay, and minus 18. 3, so we'll give you 18, 1 of 18. Okay, so this is a mixed number. Okay, we need to plus this one together, the whole pieces, the whole number together. So we have 5, and then we have 1/3 plus 1/4. Okay, so this one we know that we need to change it to the 12 because this one times 4, this one times 3. So we have this one times 4, 4. This is 3. This is 3. So we have 12/4 plus 12/3. So all we get is 5 and this is plus. This is plus. 5 and 12/7. Okay, be careful. Okay, this one is the same. Times 2 here, times 2 here. All we get is 3. 4, 2 minus 1, 4, 1. All you get is 3 minus 1 is get 2, and then 2 pieces minus 1 pieces, you get 1 pieces. Okay, I think I will use this way to share this one again. Okay, let's use that method. It's better. It's easier, I think. Okay, so we need to convert this one. This one times 4 first. 4. Okay, this one times 3 times 3. Okay, all we get is 3 and 12/4 plus 2 and 12/3. Okay, so all we get is 5 and 12/7. I think this one is easier. Okay, then we come to this one again. This one times 4, this one times 4, this one times 3, this one times 3. So all we get is 7, 12, 8 plus 1, 12, 9. So all we get is 8 and 12, 17. Okay, because one plate only can take 12 pieces. This is 17 pieces. So obviously this part will become like 12 and 12 plus a 5 and 12. This is 5 and 12 is 17. Let's we learn from the year 7, week 2, the making number method. If you don't know how to make number, you must go back to the year 7, week 2 to learn about the making number method. And here we need to apply that particular method here. So if you don't know this one, please go to the year 7, week 2. Okay, and then this will be another 1. So it's 8 plus 1 plus 5, 2. So all to 5, 12. All you get is 9 and 5, 12 for this question. Okay, and then we have this one minus. So 5 and 7. This one times 7. This one times 5. Okay, so all we get is 4 and 35, 21 minus 2 and 35, 10. So the 4 minus 2 will get 2. 21 minus 10, you'll get 11 of 35. Okay, this is page 1. We are going to page 2. Okay, so the multiplication, I think this is easier as compared to easier than the plus and minus. Okay, this one, firstly, you need to the numerator part times numerator, this one to this one, and the denominator also, this time together and this time together. So 2 times 4, you get 8, and then the bottom part, you get 15. Okay, next, I want to introduce a method. Okay, denominator and the numerator, you can cancel each other. Okay, so if can you see this is the line? Okay, on the top if you have 1, 3, you can cancel 1, 3, and then the bottom also 1 time. So these two must be done together, and this 4 also you can cancel both these two together. So what is left is 2 and 5. So this 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2 times 1 times 1, you get 2. 1 times 1 times 5, you get 5. Yes, this is the idea of solving this question. Okay, when we come to this one, also the same. Okay, can you see? You have 13 here, then you have 13 times 1, 13 times 1. And then you have 14, also 1, 14 also 1. You have 15 also 1, 15 also 1. So 1 times 1 times 1, you get 1 over 1, which is also 1, the idea. Then we should go to this one also. I think you know how to solve this one. 4 and 4. 3 and 3. So the answer is also 1. Okay, then we come to this. Okay, this is slightly different. Okay, so this is 4 times 1. This is 4 times 2. So you cancel the 4, then you get 1 and 2. This 7 you can cancel out. You get 1 and 1. So 1 times 1 you get 1. 2 times 1 you get 2. For this question, it's easier. 4 and 4 you can cancel each other. So you get 3 and 5. For this one also the same. This 2 we can cancel with the 2. And this 3 cancel out with the 3. So all you get is 1 over 4. Okay, these two okay, look at this question first. Okay, 1 times 11, and this is 3 times 11. Okay, this is 1 times 12, this is 2 times 12, and then this 3 and 3 can cancel each other, and then 2 and 4 also you can cancel out. 1 times 2, this is 2 times 2. So after cancel each other, you get 1 over 2. Okay. If I'm too fast, you can always go to your speed and try to make it slower. Okay. This is 1 times 11. This is 3 times 11. This is 1 times 7. This is 2 times 7. So all you get is 1 and 6 here. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, this one be careful. Just now, the mixed number we can just straight away plus and minus. But this one, when you deal with the mixed number with division and multiplication, you need to change this to the improper fraction. So this is 1 times 3 plus 2, you get 5 of 3. And then the next part you just copy. The 5 and 5 you can cancel easily. And then this one is 1, this is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, so dividing. First, I want to introduce this reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal means that if 3, you have another pair of reciprocal, which is 1 over 3. So this 3, the partner will be 1 over 3. If 1 over 2, the partner will be 2 over 1. This is 2 over 1, so it's 2. So the 6, the partner will be 1/6 reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal. And then 1 over 10 is 10. Okay, so if you have negative, then same thing happens. You need to get another part of negative. Okay. So then we come to the division part. Okay, division part. I think in school the teacher also taught quite clearly. The next, the next number need to be change the position. So it will be like 3 over 5 times 5 over 2. Can you see 2 over 5 become 5 over 2? And then you try to cancel out the same thing again. So all you get is 3 over 2. This is the idea. The last part you need to change the position. And this is a mixed number. As I told you, you cannot straight away do the multiplication or division. You need to change it to the improper fraction. This is Mr. Henry Clement, teaching fraction, year 9. Okay, so 4 times 2, you get 8 plus 1, so it's 9 pieces. This is 4. Divided by this one is 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Okay, so this division, you need to change the position. 9, 4 become 3, 4. Okay, can you see? This is a question that trick you. You cannot cancel this one because this is division. You only can do at the stage of the multiplication. But here you cannot cancel out either one. No, you cannot do. So the answer will be 27 over 16. Okay. So this is, this should be the last question. Okay. Okay, I think I can. Let me see. Yeah, this is the last question, okay, for division. So indexes is a way that to show you in the when you have repetition of the multiplication. Okay, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer should be 81. But if we don't want to write this one, we can always write in this form. We call it a notation. Okay. So if I have 4, compare 3 have 4, 3 power of 4, 3 power of 4, and 4 power of 3 is different. This one you have 4 pieces of 3. by that this one you have 3 pieces of 4. So I have 3 space, 3 space, and then the answer here is 4. Okay. And then this 5, we have 2. So it's 5 times 5. This one I have 3, 5. So it's 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, I think you know this one very well. This is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, so this is 4 times. So this is obviously 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, this is the thing that I want you to know. I think this is also in the year 7. There is if there is something I want you to memorize, is this one. Okay, 8 is 2 power 3. Okay, 16 is, this one is 4. This one is 5, and this one is 6. This one you may look for the year 7, week 2. And 81 is actually, you have 2. This one also have many options. This one I want you to do 2 options. So it's 9 times 9, and this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. Okay. There is one thing I want to introduce to you, which is this. Okay. Anything powered by 0 is always 1. Okay, if you have this number 19384 powered by 0, also 1. Okay, you have 0.000121442 powered by 0, also 1. Okay, any number will be 1. Okay, but here there's another negative. Negative form of power means that this one 3 and 1 you still need to write this one. The negative shows that this is 3 1. Okay, 3 1 is 3, so it's 1 3, so it's 1/3. So this 3 and 2 we still keep to bring down, okay, to the denominator side. So this negative means that going down. So it's 3 powered by 2. 3 powered by 2 is 9, right? So it's 9. Okay. So this is another form of writing negative. Okay. This one you have another form, which is 6 3. Okay. Divided by 6 5. This is number 1. Or number 2. This is actually 6 3 minus 5. Okay. Or actually, look at this is here, times 6 minus 5. Okay. So this means that you, on the top numerator part, you have 6 6 6, 3 pieces. Down there you have 1 2 3 4 5. You have 5 pieces. So cancel out this one. All you get is 2 pieces at the bottom, which is 6 2 here. If you want to move out, also can. This form you want to move out, you just do the reverse. It will become like 6 negative 2. This one is the same. Okay, since you know that we cancel out each other, so you can do a shortcut way, which is this is look like the negative, because on the top you have 10, right? Okay, and then on the bottom you have 4, so you need to cancel out. So 10 minus 4 will get 6. So sometimes you can write in other form, but this one I will be teaching in year 10. Okay, 7. Okay, so it's 10. This 10 minus, the division is bring down, so it's minus. Minus 4, so you get 7 powered by 6. Okay, you can draw, you can draw 7 7, then you cancel out, you still get a 6. This is Andy Clement, or simplified. Okay, so just now I show you the division is minus, so this one should be adding. Okay, so it's 2 7 add 3, so it will be 2 10. Altogether you have 10 pieces of 2. Okay, so this one is also division. This one means that also negative. So you have 4, and then you have these 3 first. All these 4 same. You must make sure it's 4. So this one is 3. This is plus 4. On the top you have 4 pieces, and then the bottom part you have 7 pieces, minus 7. So you get 4 powered by 0. So it's 1. Okay. This one, be careful. This one, be careful. This one, we can solve the bracket first. Why? Still demanded biomass, BIOMAS. So bracket always comes first. So now we have 2 pieces, 3 plus 4. And then we need to times 2 later. And then this is 2 16. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7 pieces, right? So you have 2 7 and then 2 over 2, 16. Okay, can you see? This one is 2, 7 times 2, 7. You have two pieces of that, right? So in short, you can just times up. You want to add, you can 7 plus 7 is altogether 14 pieces. But if you don't want, you can just use a multiplication, times up. 7 times 2 will get 14. Okay, so is 2, 14 over 2, 16. So it's actually 2, 14 minus 16, you get 2, negative 2. Okay, 2, negative 2. This is the answer. Then we have this one. Same thing. Can you see inside there is 4 plus 5, so you have 9 pieces. Then you have 2 here. And then this one is divide. Divide means minus. So you have 8, 18 here. Okay, so this one is 2 set. 9 set 9 and 9. So it's 8, 18. This is also 8, 18. So it means that 8, 18 minus 18, or you can cancel each other. So you get nothing, right? 1 over 1. So is 8 powered by 0. So it's 1. Just like this one, 1 over 1. Okay. So we have this one as well for our exercise. So this one, as usual, because this is a mixed number, we cannot use for times. So after arrange, it will be 4 over 3 powered by 2, and then divide by, this is also 12 over 5 plus 4 over 3. Okay, so for the bottom part, we need to add together. So this one times 5 times 5, this one times 3 times 3, this one times 5 times 5. All we get, and then we need to solve also. For the above part, it will be 16 over 9. For the bottom part, the denominator will be 15. This is 36 plus 15, 20. So all we get is 16 of 9 divided by this one. Wow, such a big number. 56 over 15. Okay. Again, this line means divide. So it looks like 16 over 9 divided by 15, 6 over 15. So you need to turn it over. So it's 16 over 9 times 15 and 56. Okay. So we need to solve this one. Okay. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, I need to check something. Okay, welcome back. Okay. So this one is 3, this one is 5, and then this one is 4 times 4. Yeah, this one is 4 times 4. This one is 1, 4. This is 1, 4. Okay. So this is 3 times. Okay, so all I get is 20, and then this is 42. 20, 42. Okay. Oh, so this one is still can do 2 and 7. So it's 10 and 21. Yeah, so it's 10 and 21. Okay, the answer will be like that. Okay, so this is additional. 7 minus 1, that means 1 of 7. This one is 1 of 8. This one is 1 of 10. This one is 1 of 10 powered by 2, or you can say 1 of 100. And then this is 1 of, can you see this number you copied all the way? So all 1 over 1,000. Okay, this one I plan to give you to do as homework, but I think still have time. I will try to explain this one. Okay, so for the bottom, okay, you need to do the top part and the bottom part first. Okay, so this one will be, this one times 4, 4, this is 3, this is 3, so this is 12, 8 times, oh no, sorry, no need, sorry. This is times, again, I'm doing some mistake. This is not the plus because I'm looking at this and I do this, okay? This one you just can cancel out each other, then you'll get the answer easily. This is 1 of 6, and then this one is different. This one you need to, this is plus and minus, then you need to change to the same denominator, okay? Okay, so this one will be 6, sorry, this one will be 6, 3 and minus 6, 2. So all you get is 1 over 6 over 1 over 6. Same thing over same thing. So the answer is 1. Okay. This one you need to do to make it in proper fraction first. So it's 3 over 2 power over 2. So the answer is 9 over 4. Okay. For this one, doing the bracket first, 6 times this one. Okay. So we can change this one to the same denominator first. This is 1 and 4, 6 times 2. This one is 1 and 6, 3 times 3. Okay. Okay. So this is 6 times 1 and 7, 6. Okay. So I can make it, okay, 6 times 13, 6. Okay. 6, 13, 6. Okay. Okay, let's continue. And then you can cancel this one. All you get is 13. Okay. So this one I will upload in Facebook later for this answer sheet. Okay. So we have 3 of 8, and then we have times 3 over 2 power of 2. This one just now come from here. So it's 3 of 8 times 9 over 4. Okay. There's nothing you can do for this question. Okay, just times up. So it's like 3 times 9, 27 over 32. Okay. For this question also, we need to solve. Okay, this is, can you see this is division and times? So we need to all change to the improper fraction. Okay. Okay, this is division, so we need to change the position. So we can try to do the same thing again. So the answer is 2 over 3. Okay, this is, if this is a well-designed question, the answer should be easy one. Okay. This is not enough, so that's why we need to input another one. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.